Okay, I'm going to show you how to use single cell cluster and the interface to cluster cells into groups. So here I load this cell population which has not been classified into groups. So you can see these cells in different groups. So we have a quick estimation how many clusters we may come up with. So after you have this visual in inspection, you can click this button, which clustering using embeddings. So you see, yes, I want to cluster cells, and then you have options, either use k-means or use another algorithm based on the shared nearest neighbor. But here I use class. So I select, say I want to class them into 10 groups, and then quickly you get the results, and you see ask you whether you want to label them. You say yes, and label with index. So now you will see they have been labeled from 1 to 10 into 10 groups. Okay, now see, I want to manually change the definition of this clustering. For example, I want to merge group 9 and 5 into one cluster. What I can do is to select this brush and brush through the cells in these two groups. So you select the cells in these two groups, and you click this button, which merge brushed cells into the same cluster. And then once you answer yes, it will ask you which group you want to merge it into. So I want to merge both class 5 and 9 into class 5. So I select 5. Then it asks me whether I want to update the cluster IDs. I say yes. You can see the color of this group. Two groups have become the same. Eventually they are the same group now. And then you select to label them, use the new index. You will see, okay, this already become class 5. You can do the same thing for 3 groups. Select this brush, and then you select cells in 3 groups. You don't have to select all of the cells. As long as you have at least one cell has been selected in the group, it will be counted. And then you select merge the brush cell into one group. I select 3 groups will be merged into, oops, do that again. Updated ID, yes. Okay. Say if you want to separate this this group into 2, let me label them again. So you want to separate the group 4 into 2 clusters. You can select this group cell and see I want to separate. Make a new cluster of this, and then update, relabel.